The more you practice, the more results you will get with meditation. Your focus, your attention, and your mindfulness will improve if you dedicate yourself to a daily meditation. Just dedicating 5 to 10 minutes to yourself every day can be life-changing. Let's begin. Sit with a straight spine, holding yourself with dignity. Close your eyes. Observe the darkness behind your eyelids. Let's take 2 breaths together, in through the nose and out through your mouth. Ready? Breathing in through the nose and then out through the mouth. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Just these 2 breaths have made you more aware of the life force running through your entire body. Oxygen. Each breath is literally bringing you life. Honor it. Now allow yourself to become more and more comfortable in your sitting position. Let your hips sink down into your seat. The surface below you is supporting your entire weight. You are being held by the earth. Allow for your feet to make contact with the floor or ground below. Connection with Mother Earth. Feel your spine straight and aligned. Notice how your shoulders want to drop down a little bit more. Your throat and neck are soft and open, ready to speak your truth. Your head effortlessly balances atop the spine. Breathe in a sense of peace, feeling the cool air pass through your nose. And breathe out with a gentle ah. Ah. Now, observe the feeling in your palms, the palms of your hands. You can imagine that your focus is like a laser on your palms. And the more you focus on the center of your hands, the more sensations you become aware of. Perhaps you feel a warmth, a coolness, a gentle tingling in the palms of your hands. Some people even feel a magnetizing effect. Just focus on the palms of your hand, not expecting anything. The powerful sensations in the palms of your hands are life-changing, for you have never focused quite this much on the palms of your hands until this very moment. And as you focus on the palms, you have a deep understanding that your future is unwritten and you have the choice to create it as you wish. And using this curious sensation in the palms of your hands, you can create the reality you desire, the life that you deserve. Your dream life begins now, for you deserve to live a life of freedom, a life of abundance. Take control of your life by affirming right now, I create my own reality. I take control of my life. I welcome abundance into my life. I am the creator of my life experience. Wonderful. Remember that dedication to daily meditation is one of the most important changes you can make to your life. You have the opportunity to turn your life into a dream. Simply practice meditation every day without skipping a day. 5 to 10 minutes just for you without missing a day. Some days may be easier than others, but know that you are making powerful changes through this simple action. Allow a gentle smile of respect to yourself and others to come across your face, giving yourself loving kindness and sharing it with the world. Let's take 2 more breaths together, breathing in deeply through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Breathing in through the nose and exhaling through the mouth, opening your eyes. It is an honor to guide you every day. Namaste.